Welcome to Factoring Complex Trinomials by Energize Math. After this lesson, please visit energizemath.com to download this note. A complex trinomial, three terms, ax squared plus bx plus c, but where the a is not equal to 1. If it was equal to 1, it would be a simple trinomial. So here's an example of a complex trinomial. I have an a value of 3. Now, what I'm going to look for is I'm going to look for two numbers that multiply to my a times my c. So it's going to multiply to 18 and then add to my middle term, which is 11. Numbers that multiply to 18 and add to 11 would be 9 and 2. What I want to do is I want to split up that middle term. That 11x is going to turn into those two numbers, which is 9x plus 2x. I still have my first term, which is 3x squared, and I'll still have my last term, which is 6. So now I have 4 terms. I just split the middle term up into the two numbers that I had thought of. Then it becomes factoring by grouping. What can I take out from the first two? I can take out a 3x. Then I'm left with x plus 3. What can I take out from the second two? I can take out a 2. Then I'm left with x plus 3 again. Those two brackets are going to be the same, and you can put it in front, and you'll have your kind of leftovers of 3x and a 2 afterwards. This is called decomposition. There are many forms of factoring for complex trinomials. This is just one of them. For the second example, again, I'm going to look for two numbers that multiply to my a value times my c value. So it's going to multiply to 12 and it's going to add to 13. The only numbers that multiply to 12 and add to 13 would be 12 and 1. So I'm going to split my middle term up. It's going to become 12x plus 1x. I'll still have my first term. I'll still have my last term. Then again, I'm going to look at my first half and look at my second half. What can I take out from my first half? I can take out a 2x from the first two terms. And then I'll be left with just an x plus 6. What can I take out from the second two? The only thing I can take out is a 1. And then I'll be left with an x plus 6 again. These two brackets are the same, so you put it in front. And then you have kind of your leftovers, the 2x and the 1, to go afterwards. Again, this is factoring complex trinomials using the decomposition method. Please visit energizemath.com to download this note. Thank you very much.